Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in and hanging out with me today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 easy and quick eye makeup tips that are going to give you younger and larger looking eyes. So as we get older, as we mature, sometimes our eyes can tend to look smaller as we get older. And that's because skin starts to kind of sag its way down. We have less lid space and things can just start to look a little bit smaller. And a sign of more youthfulness is larger looking eyes. So I'm going to share with you 3 easy tips that I do when I'm applying makeup that just really help to give me larger, younger looking eyes. So I'm going to share those with you guys today. I have no makeup on my eyes right now, so I'm going to do them with you. Before I dive into this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. I would love for you to join my channel, join our little family here. We're all about getting the best skin of your life here on my channel, and skincare tips and tricks and anti-aging and product reviews and makeup tips as well. Everything to look and feel our best as we get older here. I am over 40 years old. I am the owner and founder of skintruth.com, where alongside an amazing cosmetic surgeon, we have teamed up and brought you guys the best in medical grade skincare. Truly the best products of them all. Medical grade skincare, beauty products, hair care, all on skintruth.com. And if all of this content sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. And let's dive into these little secret tips. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyes. I'm gonna use the Paint Pot by MAC in Lay and Low. And this is my favorite because it's a really perfect like beigey peach tone, which really helps to brighten up the eye. So I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and I apply this all over my lid and even up into the crease. This just helps to get a good base, and like I said, it's a good, just brightening color. So now you can do these steps with any type of eye look. You can do a softer eye look all the way up to a bolder eye look. All of these are gonna, apply to any eye look you're gonna do for the day, but I'm just gonna do something soft and easy for the day. I'm gonna take my Viseart palette, and I always take a matte shade up in the crease. But step and trick number 1 is you don't wanna apply your crease color directly into the crease. That's gonna kind of just highlight like the eyeball area. So when you're getting older, what you want to do is you take that crease color and you actually apply it above the crease. And this is going to give you a larger looking eye area. And I just take this all around the outer crease, like up above the crease. But the crease would have been down here more into the crease, which I'm not doing. That is going to make your eyes look smaller. So we're trying to make them look larger. So fill up that space above the crease. And even if you have more hooded eyes, you can still take that crease color and apply it above the crease. Don't try to get it into the crease. Just take it up and above. You're kind of making your own little definition crease area there. So I'm taking the Viseart palette again. I'm just gonna get this a little bit of a lighter peach shade, and I'm just gonna tap this right onto the lid for today. Again, you can do this look with any colors, but peach again is super brightening and it's gonna help to really open up the eye. I love this just for a quick and easy daytime look. It's just so perfect. I love a good, easy matte look. All right, trick number 2 is creating a soft little wing that's gonna help to elongate the eyes. I don't wear a wing every single day, but when I do, this is how I apply it, and it really does help to kind of just bring the eye out a little bit. I'm gonna take an eyeshadow, a black eyeshadow, and that's what I personally love to make just a really soft, just pretty wing. I think as we get older, a softer, eye look, a softer wing is gonna look a lot better than just like a harsh line type of thing. You could get away with that when you're like 20, but I think as we get older, I think a beautiful, just soft look on the eyes is just so much more youthful. So I'm gonna take this brush. This is the Beauty Blender brush, and I will link all this stuff down below for you. It's the perfect little brush to create a wing. Like, I'm obsessed with this brush. It's so easy. And then I'm gonna take that same Viseart palette. If you don't have this palette by now, you definitely wanna pick it up. It has every perfect matte color in it, and I love the black for eyeliner. And I do this every single time I want an eyeliner look. I take this black shadow. I just dab a little bit onto my brush, and all I do is I start from the corner of my eye, and I hold my brush kind of backwards so that the larger part is going to drag out, because it is like a tip angle brush. So all I do is I take it and I'm just gonna wing it out just slightly. Again, you can do it however however the length you want. But I wing it out just a little bit, and then I just kind of bring it on back over. and then just push it into the lash line. And I don't even go all the way over. I just go maybe like mid lash line out to the wing. But to me, you can see how soft and how pretty that is. Just a simple, simple little wing. Brings out the eyes a little bit, and it's just a soft, pretty look with the eyeshadow. Okay, next little secret tip here. I'm gonna take that same eyeshadow that I used on the upper crease part. I'm gonna take a little smudge brush. This is the BK Beauty 204. I'm gonna pick this up. This is like the perfect brush to smudge shadow under your eyes. And this is super, super important because creating that little bit of a shadow under your eye is actually going to help make your eye look larger. And it just helps to like open up your eye. So I always smudge a little bit of shadow just right on the lower lash line. Again, I don't personally put eyeliner on the lower lashes. I simply just smudge a little shadow under there. And it honestly helps to open up the eye instead of close the eye. If you use too dark of a liner, just like too harsh of a liner on the under eye, like the lower lash line, it's actually gonna make your eyes look smaller. This actually makes your eyes appear larger and rounder. All right, we're gonna coat the lower lashes with some mascara. Now I have lash extensions on the top lashes, but obviously you definitely wanna add mascara to your upper lashes as well. That's gonna definitely go a long way for creating larger looking eyes. Make sure you use a lash curler first and then mascara on the upper lashes. And then I use a little bit of mascara here on the lower lashes too. Okay, then the last and final thing that I like to do is I take a matte highlighting powder. This is just one of the MAC highlighting shades, and I take a little fluffy brush like this, and I'm gonna pick up some of that highlighting powder. Again, it's matte. I'm gonna pick up some of this powder onto my fluffy brush, kind of squeeze it together, and then I just sweep it up along the lash line. So it kind of takes away any darkness in this area and it pulls the eye up. And I'll do it on this side too. So I'm gonna take some of that powder, again, highlighting powder. I'm gonna squeeze my brush together and I'm just going to sweep it right up against kind of like the line that we made with the wing, and it really helps to just bring that eye area up. All right, that is it. Those are my quick and easy little tips on how to get younger and larger looking eyes as we get older here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps my channel out so much, and I really, really do appreciate it. Also, let me know in the comments, do you do any of these little tips? Do you have any of your own little tips that you want to share? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.